What's up guys? I hope you've all been having an awesome day and welcome back to the videos where, I don't know, I haven't uploaded in probably about 1.5 weeks now. If you guys have been keeping up on social media, I do really apologize for the videos, but this last week has been sort of super pushed and super stressful, and YouTube was the last thing on my mind. You know, as you guys all know, this isn't my full-time job anymore. This is more like my part-time with my other part-time. So working 2 jobs is absolutely insane. A lot of stuff happening behind the scenes, obviously, and then also a lot of stuff happening at work. I think it was about 2,500 of you guys had seen the last video before it disappeared. I wanted to try and make a little bit of like a teaser video into this video. 2,000 of you guys had seen the last video at the old place. And so I think without further ado, let's show you guys the new place. Sorry about all the little mad clips of Doug. He looks sad and upset in all the videos, but I swear to God, he's loving this place. Like, look at him, he's all perked up now. What are you doing? You're a puppy, go play. Anyway guys, welcome to the new place. Now, although I would like to show you guys a little bit more of sort of out the front, I do want to do a few little bits more out the front. It's looking pretty messy at the moment whilst we've been moving, so I'm going to probably leave that for now. But anyway, I can take you guys for a full sort of house tour. So if you guys could imagine the driveway right here, and Brett, if you guys don't know, I work for Empire Tint and Vinyl now as well. Brett was kind enough to lend me the work van to and from the new place. It is so cool. And it's wicked. It backs onto all this bushland here as well. It is just so nice. Mind all the boxes, and this is literally like the junk that I had sitting at my old place. So like literally have like so many Falcon parts, tail lights. I have a like full brand new roof lining there and everything. But yeah, there's just so much crap there. So I will wait until a further episode. We might just get all the cars out. We might do a little bit more of like a cinematic intro to this place. But yeah, but here is our new place. Sarah and I were super happy to get into this place, and so quickly. It just like a snap of our fingers and we were literally like fully in the deep end, ready to come into this, and just it was nuts. We sort of have been wanting to find a place for a long time now, and so this is it, the place we'll be staying for the next couple of years, and I am super excited. So if you guys had already noticed, we now have a full non-segregated double garage, and this thing is absolutely huge. It actually has a little bit of a wider sort of garage than a lot of normal places, and because it also incorporates the like laundry down the back as well, you guys can see my car is very comfortably inside right now, and look at the amount of like free space we have at the back. And like it's not even sitting like all the way as far over as I want, and we still have like more than enough room down the side of the car to work on it. Peep the next couple of videos. Ooh. The idea is now that Sarah is actually going to be parking inside and the Skyline's going to be outside. When she parks inside and I need to work on my car, we can simply park it out, and then we have all of this room here ready to play on the car. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a couple of years now. It's just sort of, you know, whenever I want to make videos, have, you know, the other car out and then this car here, and this just makes it so much easier. So that's awesome. So so I've managed to cut down on a lot of the stuff that I've had, trust me. And now we have a whole heap of storage space as well. So if you guys can sort of see, we got like we don't even have enough stuff. We've barely filled up the shelves of this place, and it's really cool because yeah, if you guys remember at the last place, I sort of lived upstairs and the other two lived downstairs, and yeah, we just had so much stuff at the end of it that it was like really starting to sort of bottleneck and everything. So now Sarah and I have so much sort of room to play with, and right here you come into Douglas's palace. Oh yeah, look how cute you are. So although I would love to have Sarah here at the moment, she's currently at the other house doing some cleaning at the moment while I've just been unpacking and looking after Doug. So I'm here at the moment, and so I thought I'd show you guys around really quickly. I'm not quite sure exactly when this video is going to come out, but I'm super excited to show you guys. But anyway, this is a garage right here. As you guys can see, it looks amazing. Looking out into my car, I'm just so happy with it. The idea for the garage is as well, actually I'll give you some ideas at the end of the video, so stick around. Alrighty, so coming in, we have this little sort of piece of furniture right here. I don't know why that was the first thing I pointed out, but we put a few little prints on the wall. We have the couch in, we have the coffee table in, we also have the TV unit and the TV that I have, so that's all here ready to go. Very much similar to how we had the older place set out. Same table, same chairs and everything, and this place is tiled as well. Although we did love the sort of like vinyl wood floor, tiles are just so much nicer and so much easier to keep clean when he's around. And now Doug doesn't have to live upstairs as well, so he can go out. We have a little doggy door for him as well, so he's just been learning how to do that, and we finally have a nice big backyard. So Doug has been like absolutely enjoying and just loving being out the back as well. So it's actually got some insanely nice grass too, compared to our other place where we had to like reseed it and try and keep it nice. This stuff here already has like really thick buffalo grass, and it's already got its own like little irrigation system as well. So it is super nice. So yeah, we have sort of all the plants, all of Sarah's outdoor furniture out there at the moment, and we have a doggy door installed. So he's been going in and out, which has been super cool, but he is like so tired at the moment. He's just chilling. So yeah, also mind the mess as well. We're still just moving in, so we still have like barely anything hidden away. This is our new little kitchen as well. So if you guys remember in the last one, we sort of had like an island, and then it kind of like extended down that way and all that sort of stuff. This is so much smaller than our old one, but it is actually like, I don't know, it's so much more like user-friendly. Our other one was sort of really spread out long and it had a little island, and it was just weird. For this one here, there's a lot less cupboards, but we have a lot less stuff as well, so it's really nice. So that is the kitchen. I absolutely destroyed the fridge yesterday, but that's okay, we'll get a new one of them. And we're gonna head upstairs. Dougie hates this thing. Do you wanna come? Come on. Do you just wanna sleep? Okay, you can sleep, no worries. Oh, you wanna come now, do you? Come on. Upstairs. So yeah, we have this really sick little spiral staircase here, and it's a little bit overcast at the moment, so it's not normally this dark, but you come straight up into the main bathroom, which is sick. So we have so much freaking room. We finally have a bath as well. I've never had a bath in any of my rental properties here in Brisbane, so nice little shower there as well. I'll wait and show you guys the main after. This is going to be the spare bed, so when all like James Nolan and Tom and everyone comes to stay, everyone can stay here, as well as all the blokes down south like Mez, Adam, buddy Rex H, you name it, they're all coming up. So they're all going to stay there. And then this room right here is pretty cool. So if you guys don't know, Sarah is extremely good at photos on Instagram, and she does these things that just look so amazing and so like just absolutely blow my mind. She actually sets up her own studios and then sets up the timer and takes photos of herself. She can be up here for hours just getting content for her Instagram, and does all those YouTube videos as well. Yeah, because she has a YouTube channel and everything else as well. So she finally has her own studio, and it's set up so the sun comes from this direction all the way down into the windows. It looks absolutely amazing. Doug just walking on mirrors for some reason. That's a bit weird. Wait, what does this even look like? Bruh, that is so creepy. So yeah, the sun comes in the windows this way, and she's gonna have her own little sort of setup here, which is absolutely amazing. You can see she hasn't really got much in here at the moment. There'll be tripods, lights, cameras. I'm thinking she's going to set up a little bit of a desk as well, so she can edit and do some stuff in here. So we're going to have two completely separate studies. So this is going to be her study photo shoot room. And then if we come in here, as you can see, I'm a little bit messier than she is. This right here is going to be my study. As you guys can see, it looks straight outside. So I'm going to set up my desk over in the back corner there. We're going to set up all the Hot Wheels and everything down through here. But obviously at the moment it looks absolutely crap. Got my sombrero there. I got that in Mexico. That's sick. Come on, doggy. Let's go. Let's go. And I'm going to try and keep this clip rolling, but this right here is the main. So we come upstairs, turn left, and as you guys can see, our main bedroom is right here, and it is like, it is super, this is the biggest main bedroom that I have had here in Brisbane, and it is like, it's so weird. We have, I don't know, we just have so much room and everything, and it's just massive. And yeah, we have like, if you guys know like the glass sliding door things, this is like 4 wide. It is absolutely nuts. Although I would like to have a bigger window to look out and stuff like that, the main is really nice. We have so much walking space around the whole bed. It's absolutely awesome. And then our ensuite is huge as well. So we have like this massive big double shower. I really wish it had 2 shower heads, but I guess in a rental, you probably, yeah, you get me. But yeah, coming around here, we have like a little basin. And check out this, God, look at this toilet. Look how much room we have. Like, it is very pronounced down the back of this ensuite here. I guess me and Doug can head back downstairs now. And I'll show you guys what you all want to see, which is the garage. And I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about it, because we have a few little ideas on stuff that we can do. Come on, Dougie. Come on, mister. Come on. Do you not want to come down? Do you want to stay up? What are you doing? You gonna do anything? No? Confused? Dog water? So yes, coming back through the garage is where all the stuff is going to be happening, and you guys are just like, I'm going to use this as like my second sort of main studio in a way. The driveway here is super long. Plus we have a whole heap of room down the side of the house as well. So you guys best believe that once Tom's finished with the Civic's coming up, we have a heap more room for cars now. So the RX-7 is going to be living inside the garage, as well as Sarah's car. And then we're also going to have the Skyline sitting outside, and potentially the Civic down here as well. We have a super nice front garden, but as I said, I'll wait a little bit to show you guys that, so I can sort of get everything else prepared out the front, because we have so much crap here at the moment. I've literally just made piles and piles of stuff that we're going to do tip runs as well. So that's the goal with that. But very similar to my old garage setup. Unfortunately, there's not really much lighting here to do. That's the only light in here at the moment. I do normally have this while I'm filming, which is a massive big LED light, which you can attach to, like, I've just drilled it out to be the exact width of these, and that can just sit up there and sort of that points in the general direction that I want. But it absolutely sucks. So I've been doing a little bit of research online, and Alex showed me these really cool like roof LED panels you can get that are like 500K, 33 watt. So I'm gonna get 4 of them. We had a little look, we were gonna install downlights. The only issue with that is we have this really big beam that runs across through here, and it goes straight into the room. Because all these are like heightened ceilings as well. Like these ceilings are a lot taller than my other place. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to put some like panels on the roof and just stick them to the roof, and just make sure we put enough in to not fall down. So we're gonna have that main light there, and then I'm gonna get some LED squares. I'm gonna have one here, one here, and one here as well. So that way this garage will be really nice, and also it's going to double as like a detailing studio in here as well. So we're going to have some really nice lights set up in here. I'm not quite sure exactly what I'll do with the ground just yet. There is already some pre-installed oil stains, which is sick, so we don't have to worry about putting some more oil down myself. Even though the RX-7 is actually pretty good, we actually have no oil leaks in the RX-7. The R33 just seems to keep getting some weird oil stains here and there, so, well, we can deal with that. But if you guys have any ideas on stuff that we can do with the garage, that'd be absolutely amazing. But yeah, I think that's pretty much going to conclude today's video. I'm sorry it's really short, and I'm sorry we kind of just rushed through the entire thing, but I really wanted to show you guys. We've been in here for 2 days now, just finished moving all of our stuff in, and I'm really stoked. Like this is an absolute dream come true, just having this massive big garage here, and just, it's gonna be super quiet. There's not much wind that comes through here as well, so hopefully videos will be really good. I wanna try and get a really good camera for you guys as well. It's just gonna be like, I don't know, I'm just super stoked at this place. So anyway, I'm gonna jump over to the old place and help Sarah and her mum with cleaning. So yeah. Massive thank you to all you guys that have made this sort of thing possible. Without you guys and without the help of Brett and just so many other people as well, we would not be here today. So massive thank you everyone for all your help and love and support. We really do appreciate it. I'm super excited to show you guys this, and super excited to dive into all the projects that I really want to do. So first of all, starting with the RX-7 V-mount. We have one more box coming, and after that, we should be mint. So yeah, thank you so much guys. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey guys, what's up? I know it's a little bit dark at the moment. It is currently nighttime. Oh, well, believe it or not. That was a really stupid vlog move for me to make. We've been at the house for 3 days now, and I want to show you guys inside just to end this video off. This is like another 2 days on. I think we've been here for about 4 or 5 days now, but we've been like sort of officially moved in for 2. So I want to show you guys what it looks like. Oh yeah! How good is this? Was he? Was he? Hi. Hi. Do you want to be part of my video?
Doug's currently humping.
Yeah, he does that.
That's fun. Welcome.
So yes, as you guys can see, we've officially like moved everything in mostly. I'll quickly show you upstairs and sort of everything else that we've done up there, but we actually have kitchen bench space now, which is amazing. You guys would have seen like we had absolutely nothing of that beforehand. We've got our table and chairs in. We have a lounge room. We have Sarah. Sarah's moved in, which is sick. Douglas is all happy. TV, everything else as well. And then we have the baby gate, so Doug cannot get in. And then I'll show you guys what I did upstairs. So master still looks like a shambles. I won't show you guys that. As you can see, I've started to move everything into the study. I have a whole bunch of random stuff there at the moment, but this is the new study. Oh my god, it looks amazing. So I can look at my skyline from up here. I put all the prints on the wall. Sorry, I'm covering up the Falcon one, by the way. These ones here were the ones that were done by Joel. The ones he sent to me from the PO box, so that is amazing. We have my Mighty Carmides poster right there, which I absolutely love. Plus, every 100 and, I think it's about 100, 150-ish Hot Wheels. So I got all of my Japanese ones up top. Then I got all of the Euros and all of the like American muscle sort of things as well. I'm stoked about that. But I'm about to go and edit this video right here. The first video edited in the new place. So I hope you guys like it. I just had to show you guys this at the end of the video because there's been like 2 or 3 days since I first filmed the original vlog that you guys are seeing. So yeah, I thought I'd add a little bit on. Just thanks for you guys waiting for so long. The next 2 videos you guys will see are going to be track videos. We took the R33 down to the track and it was so much fun. And then also Japnats, the most awesome Japanese car event I've ever been to. So those 2 videos are coming very, very soon. And then after that, we're getting stuck into the Grady V mount, which is all downstairs. We're waiting to go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.